Hello, hello, it is the Trading Captain, and I'm currently sitting down $2.85 near max loss. So, pretty unfortunate day today. There was opportunities, and it's just, I think with what I was specifically trying to do, it did not work out. So, let's go ahead and take a look and see what actually happened. So, the first trade I took was on CNVS, and just to go do the daily to show what the support level was, I was mostly watching this area. I didn't think it would pull back more than that, and it did. So I was incorrect on that. So whenever we had this initial breakdown here, the volume was mostly concentrated in the upper half. So when we finally broke through this level and we came down to the 150 or 250s, I'm thinking, okay, we're getting near the $0.50. Volume is slowing down as we're breaking through this support level. This should be a good opportunity. But to my surprise, and this was very strange, so not only did we continue lower, that wouldn't be so unusual to me, but the entire second half of this candle was extremely light volume. Most of this volume was concentrated in the upper half. So you have a pretty big value gap for this entire area down here. And when we did eventually get the start of this bounce, given my rule that if I get in too high, usually I'll just buy back or sell on the immediate first bounce. So I ended up getting out here at 243, I think. No, 246. So I got out at 246 here. I gave it 2 minutes, and we didn't see it break it back above 50 by that point. So I got out. And surprisingly, this made an entire recovery. So I think my read was correct that this was a value gap, right? Most of the volume concentrated in the upper half, nearly no volume in the lower half. And you can't tell that just from looking at the volume candle. You'd actually have to look at where the volume came in for this candle. But yeah, this ended up doing a full recovery. A bit frustrating in hindsight because I had the right idea, but because I wasn't willing to hold longer, give myself more exposure because of my poor entry up here, it was around here, I ended up just having to cut it for a small loss. And I'm okay with that, right? Generally, I'm not going for these home runs anyway. So that's just the reality of getting out early, right? This could have just as easily, if I was incorrect, this could have just as easily continued lower. And that's just the reality of the situation. So the second one I ended up taking was on MTech. This had a news catalyst. They got a defense contract, $350,000. And to me, generally, defense contracts are very bullish. So to see this much of a hard rejection is quite surprising to me. And I ended up trying to get in here at 109 to retest this previous area we had held at. I'm thinking, okay, we have clearly good news and we're pulling back here. The volume on this candle was pretty light again. I hate to parrot this again, but a lot of the volume came in up here around this area, and a lot of this lower end was actually low volume. So I was holding through it. I think I was down at one point, like an extra $1 on top of what I closed the day on. And I was trying to see if we could reclaim $1, try and get a smaller loss, maybe around like 103, 104. And we couldn't even break $1. So whenever I saw us starting to roll back over, at this point, I'm thinking, okay, kind of this is the bad scenario from the last trade where if I don't get out here, there's a chance this thing makes another leg lower, right? That we've had some consolidation. If this does actually push lower, maybe I was wrong about the defense contract being bullish, right? 350,000, maybe that was a low ball from what people were expecting. So I ended up getting out here. Looking at it, it's basically gone sideways, so it really wouldn't have mattered if I got out or not. But yeah, unfortunately, the reality is 2 trades today. Both of them, the price went much lower than I anticipated. This one was really unfortunate because it did end up fully recovering. But yeah, that's my story for today. But yeah, if you like this, please do leave a like. Helps me out. This is part of why I'm trading small to start as I come back because, again, these things happen. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Have a good rest of your weekend, and I'll be back next week. Take care.